This is Josie with her fairy godmother.
Yay!
Look at me. Sit.
Oh.
Shake. Down. Down. Josie, down. Down. Good girl. Aww. Do you love your fairy godmother?
Uh-huh.
Do you love your mama? Do you love your mama? Do it. Yes?
Oh.
Does your fairy godmother annoy the crap out of you?
Little babies.
You seem to that. Oh, hi, little bear. Come here. Get over here. What are you doing? Josie, come here. Josie, come here. Poor baby. You're going to be scarred for life, little fluff. Hi, baby. Hi, baby.